What's up guys, today I'm going to share with you one important concept to succeed in business. Actually I was just in the pool and this idea got to my brain, so I decided to share with you guys as fast as possible like usual. So over the last few years I've been running various businesses. I've been doing some consulting, I've been selling some online courses, and now I'm doing some e-commerce. I also still have my online course business, but my main focus right now is doing e-commerce and sharing everything with you guys on this channel. One of the things that I've noticed is that it's not the people that work the hardest that get the best result. And basically what I've been doing today, the whole day, I've been working on my creative for my new e-com brand. I've been editing some videos, I've been filming some new videos, some new ads to test more creative. That's why my mentor told me to do, test new creative, because we're quite profitable right now, but we need to test more creative to, I don't know, the more you test basically, the more chance you have to find something that is winning. And that's the key. Like when you see people that invent great things, I don't know, maybe Thomas Edison or something like someone like that, it's not about working hard, it's about trying and testing more stuff. The more you test, the more you can iterate on your process and then improve your result. Let's say you want to start like a consulting business or like a social media marketing agency. You form this hypothesis of like, okay, I'm going to target this type of customer, I'm going to provide these services for this price. And then you go out to the market and you start trying to sell your service, and then you learn like, did it work? Yes, then keep doing so. If not, you have to change something, tweak something, and then test again until you find something that is working and something that you can scale and something that you can deliver the result. And like for my online course business, it was the same. Like I tried multiple offers, like a lot of offers basically. Like if I would have stopped at the first offer that I made, maybe I wouldn't have been able to scale my business the way that I did, because most of the time the first thing that we try is not the best. And what is interesting with testing is that you learn along the way. Like you can launch a product, launch an offer, and then you see like, did it work, yes or no? Why did it work? Try to learn from the test that you're making, if possible with analytics, with some data, with some numbers, and if not, with like your intuition. But that's really important to test. If you try a lot of stuff, one of them will most probably work. It's the same for growing a YouTube channel. Like when I first started my music production YouTube channel on the French market, I didn't know what type of video would work. So I just decided to make one video every day. So I would try a lot of format. I would try tutorial, screen recording, storytelling, face video, where I'm speaking like this basically, and try a lot of different concepts, a lot of different video type. And once you do that and you get enough data to judge what is working and not, then you can replicate what is working, and you can just like narrow down on what's working. Basically, that's what I've been doing with my e-com brand so far. Like I've been trying different video, different copy, ad copy, different text, different headlines. And if you're not testing, then someone else out there is testing and might steal the perfect ad for you, from you. Sorry. So yeah, one recommendation that I have for today is quite simple, but it's really important, is to test a lot in your business. Like you can test anything. You can test like opt-in pages, email sequences, sales page, headlines, whatever, ad copy. You can test like images, video ads. You can test everything basically. And if you can get 1% improvement on every single line of your business, this is going to create a major increase in your profitability. Because let's say you get like 1% opt-in, or maybe like 2-3%, that's not like that hard to do, 3% opt-in increase. And then like, I don't know, 3% more click on your email, and then 3% more conversion on your sales page. Like that's a 9% if you add them up, but it's not like add up, it's like exponential. It multiplies itself. So that might have a huge impact, where in e-commerce, like most brands make like 20%, 30%. If you can increase your profit margin by 10%, you make it basically, like you made it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Try to test everything in your business and try to measure your test, because business is about testing. Like the more you test, the more you have a chance to find something that is working, and I cannot stress that enough. So if you want to try a business today, if you want to start a business today, pick a business model and then go ahead, put some action. Like to test stuff, you have to do stuff. Like today I've been spending my day like editing videos, make ads, trying new stuff. Like it takes some time, but it's worth it, because the more you try, the more you have a chance to find like a winning ad set, a winning audience, a winning ad creative. And so that's pretty much it, guys. Just keep testing, and the day you stop testing, you will stop growing. So don't like rely on, let's say you find a winning ad creative, let's say you find like a winning offer for your business, whatever. Don't rely on that, because it will eventually die. Maybe, you never know. So keep testing. That's the best thing I can tell you. The sunset is pretty nice, so I'm going to give you a small look. It's pretty cool here in Hua. We're in like a private village, as you can see, so pretty cool. All right, that's it for today, guys. Keep testing and see you in the next video, most probably tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.